Good morning. How is it going? Welcome to your English lesson. Today, you are going to know how to use the adjectives to compare two things or to compare one thing against the rest of them. We call those forms comparative and superlative adjectives. The first you need to know is how many syllables the adjective has. A syllable is a single emission of voice. In English, we have many adjectives that are monosyllabic. That means they have only one syllable. In example, big, small, long, tall, short, high, low, dark, clear. If you want to use any of them to compare two things, you have to transform them by adding the suffix er followed by the word then. Let's see some examples. Paco is taller than Lucy. Your hair is darker than mine. Some adjectives have more than one syllable. In example, handsome, intelligent, honest, sociable, beautiful. If you want to use one of them to compare two things, then you put the word more before the adjective followed by the word than. See some examples. Luke is more sociable than Sam. My hair is more beautiful than yours. What happens when something is superior to the rest of the others? That's when we use the superlative. Now, monosyllabic adjectives take the suffix est, but the adjective is preceded by the definite article the. In example, Mount Everest is the highest peak on earth. Black is the darkest color. If the adjective has more than one syllable, you have to put the words the most before the adjective. In example, Mexican food is the most delicious for me. That's the most amazing show in town. Now, focus your attention in how to identify a comparative or superlative adjective in a text. Lights, camera, action. My homework today is to find comparatives and superlatives in a text. I have to find them, underline them, and classify them in a table. Let's read the text. The Rodriguez Brothers Circus is in town. Well, I have to look for words ending with and est. Okay. The strongest man. Strongest is a superlative. Leopold is stronger than his father. Stronger is a comparative. He has bigger arms and bigger legs too. Bigger is also a comparative. This is easy though. Another performer. Is performer a comparative? It ends with but it doesn't have the word then. Um, bigger tampoco tiene then. What can I do? I'd better use my dictionary. I know big is an adjective. So bigger is surely a comparative. But let me look for perform. Mm. Oh, perform is a verb. And performer is a noun. So definitely no, it's not a comparative. That's why I love my dictionary. Let's continue. She has the longest hair. Another superlative. Cut. How to do it well. Step 1. I identify the adjectives ending with er and est or preceded by the words more and must. Step 2. If I have any doubt about a word, I look for it in a dictionary and verify if it is an adjective. Step 3. I underline the words I clearly identified as comparative and superlative adjectives and organize them in a table. ¿Cómo hacerlo bien? Paso 1. Identifico los adjetivos que terminan con y est o que están precedidos por las palabras more y most. Paso 2. Si tengo alguna duda sobre una palabra, busco en un diccionario y verifico si es un adjetivo. Paso 3. Subrayo las palabras que claramente identifico como adjetivos, comparativos y superlativos y los organizo en una tabla. It's time for your independent practice. In your Come Together Students Book 1, page 132, Activity 8. There you are going to read 2 cards and you will look for superlatives and comparatives, underline them there in the cards. Those cards are in the previous page, page 131 in the exercise 7. Okay? Well, once you have finished with that, continue doing activity 9 because that is the exit ticket. There you have to classify those adjectives, okay? So remember to follow the steps to do it well. I hope you the best for this classwork. Always succeed.